Well, it's getting cooler, cloudier, and soon rainier. Another storm is rolling in right now, Danny.
Oh, and it's a cold one, Chauncey. I mean, it feels like winter made a comeback.
So we're taking, I was about to say, it's not spring anymore. We're taking
I know, we're
a few steps
reversing
back.
things.
Right.
We're like, no, thank you, winter. We don't want you. Okay, we've got one more cold storm, though, Chauncey. And I told you the weekend's going to look much better. So just in time for the weekend, we'll get the
Silver
sunshine.
lining there.
We got it. We know there's joy in this, Chauncey. Okay, but you can see we've got that rain that's starting. So I showed you our Malibu camera just a little bit ago. And now here's a look from Mount Wilson. You're not seeing much of anything except the raindrops. And that's because we have some showers that are starting to develop in some areas. Let's jump right to the rain. Some of you are starting to notice it is going to be wet out there in some areas. Here's a look at that rain, mainly through LA County right now. A lot of this is going to be making its way towards everyone going into tomorrow. So here's some light rain showers that we're dealing with through Sherman Oaks over towards Bel Air. And you can see some of these heavier showers making their way towards Studio City in the next 15 minutes. I'll bring you over to Malibu Hills. We've got some light rain showers right there along PCH. And then you've also got some light rain that was popping up through Shadow Hills. A lot of this, it's very sporadic. It's very light out there, but it is starting to pick up in areas like Boyle Heights down into Vernon. We had some of that through Culver City. Not too bad, though. And you're going to continue to see this going into tonight. This is round one, just some light rain for our Thursday night. But once we get in tomorrow, this is when we're dealing with scattered showers and even thunderstorms popping back up late tonight into our Friday. We've got strong gusty winds for our mountains, our desert communities, even right there near the beaches. And then another big story, it's going to be our snow levels. They are going to plummet down to 3,000 feet. So winter driving in the mountains, this is a cold, cold storm. And so some areas of concern to Home Pass. We could even see some light snow for the foothills of the Antelope Valley. Let's take a look at the timing of all this. And we're also already starting to see snow up through Wrightwood. So going into tonight, 10 o'clock, just some light showers. It's not super widespread, but it really starts to pick up going into our Friday morning, just in time for our morning commute. So here's Friday, 6:15. We've got light rain showers, and on top of that, some thunderstorms embedded in that. So we've got some of that through downtown Los Angeles, over towards the Inland Empire, parts of Orange County. That continues at about 7:45. Southern Orange County snow levels at this point have dropped to about 3,000 feet. And we kind of have a mixed bag for our Friday. Some folks will get some sunshine. We'll see on and off showers, some thunderstorms popping up. If the storms do develop, we could get the hail, the gusty winds, the brief heavy downpours. Friday afternoon going into Friday night, the Santa Clarita Valley, some more rain out there. And then we start clearing out just in time for our weekend. We're talking less than 1/2 of an inch of rain in most areas, but if we get the thunderstorms, we could add to that. And snow just a couple inches at about 3,000 feet, and you'll see more than that as you go higher up. But for everyone, I mean, it is cold. Look at these temperatures, upper 50s across the board, i.e. you really struggle to even break out of the 40s. But take a look at the next 7 days. LA, Orange County, mid-60s this weekend, upper 60s on Monday. And then we get pretty close to 80 by the time we get to Wednesday. Valley, same goes for you. You get out the door tomorrow, upper 50s in the afternoon, 60s this weekend, and the 70s are back on Tuesday in the IE. Boy, tomorrow's going to be a cool one. Grab the extra layers. Low 60s Saturday, nearing 70 on Monday. We're dry, we're sunny, and you're back to 80 on Wednesday. So Chauncey, there are good days coming our way.